Hello everyone, today I will show you how to download a route for offline use in Google Maps. And here's how it is done. Open Google Maps on your device. Set your starting point and choose a destination to display the route you want to download. Unfortunately, Google Maps no longer offers a direct option to download a specific route for offline use, but you can work around this. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner and select Offline Maps. Choose Select Your Own Map. Select an area that includes both your starting point and destination, making sure it covers the route you plan to take. Tap Download at the bottom right. Keep in mind that downloading offline maps may take up significant storage space on your device. Once downloaded, you'll be able to access the route without an internet connection, and Google Maps will use the offline map data to give you directions while navigating in those areas. And that is everything you need to know about how to download a route for offline use in Google Maps. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.